Welcome back to the channel, your home for deep dive automotive reviews that go far beyond the test drive. Today, we're not just looking at a van. We're taking a journey into the world of ultra-comfort road travel with the all-new 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling suite. A home away from home in a road warrior's dream. Over the next 1 to 2 hours, we'll walk through every inch of this machine. Its design, interior, luxury, engine performance, onboard technology, safety, pricing, financial wisdom, and most importantly, whether it's truly worth the investment. Grab a coffee, lean back, and let's roll. At first glance, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper doesn't scream for attention, it commands it. The design maintains the classic Savana silhouette, but stretches it into a more assertive, elegant presence. Its extended body features new aerodynamic panels, LED matrix headlamps with a custom L-shaped signature, and satin finish aluminum trim. Step inside, and the world outside fades away. The interior of the 2026 Savana Limo Camper is where utility meets indulgence. The limo layout is customizable, and in our test model, the centerpiece is a full captain's lounge with 6 leather-clad reclining seats arranged in a social configuration, each with its own heating, cooling, and massage features. Mood lighting stretches across the ceiling in customizable RGB tones. A 48-inch OLED screen folds down at the press of a button, paired with a Dolby Atmos surround system that turns the cabin into a private cinema. The floor is covered in bamboo-infused vinyl, water-resistant and durable without sacrificing comfort. And yes, there's a kitchenette, a compact unit with a dual burner, induction stove, microwave, mini fridge, and sink. Just behind that, the camper module features a smart folding bed system, blackout curtains, cedar-lined storage, an optional composting toilet or wet bath depending on your build. Let's pop the hood and see what this beast is really made of. Beneath the luxury lies serious muscle. The 2026 Savana Limo Camper is powered by a reworked 6.6L Duramax 58 diesel engine delivering 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque. It's paired to a 10-speed heavy-duty automatic transmission with torque optimization for steep inclines and highway cruising. When it comes to safety, GMC has outfitted the Savana Limo Camper like a fortress. Advanced driver assist features include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, forward and reverse automatic braking, blind spot cameras, and rear